What's up YouTube? This is the Whisk Motor channel. My name is Chad, and first project I'm going to work on in the salon area before I do the salon tour is to put up new shades over these windows. Now you can see where the old curtain bar, as is the best way to describe it, is still there. There used to be another one over here, and the same thing over on that side. There used to be bars up there. Now I don't know if the previous owner had shades or not, but the windows are tinted, and it's kind of an old school tint, so it's a little bit purple looking. Once I get the shades up, I might pull the tinting off over the winter just to make it look a little bit more modern, I guess. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and get these shades put up. So I ordered custom shades from Home Depot. They're Levelor shades, and a little bit pricey. To get 4 shades shipped to me from their Arizona warehouse was just under 600 bucks. So if you're doing this, you're going to do custom shades, just be prepared for what that's going to cost. So here are the shades as they come from Levelor. Well, they came in a box, obviously, but out of the box they are protected in plastic wrapping, and I've got 4 different sizes for 4 different windows. So the longest one is going to be over there, and then we've got a separate one for there, and there'll be a shade for that window and a shade for that window. So I'm going to start with this one in the galley, and hopefully this goes fairly well, quick and easy. I am going to probably replace this silver lining here at some point, but I think the easiest thing to do to make it look better initially is just to cut it. I'll probably cut it up here and then slide it so that it sits down on the track again. But all of them are just shrinking up from age, so we'll get those looking a little bit better and might replace those over the winter as well. But for now, let's work on getting the shades put up. Okay, so got my mounting bracket here. I'm gonna figure out where this side goes. That will space it correctly over here. I can only go to, there's a little block right here. It's as far as I can go. So get this marked. Okay, got the holes marked. And then we'll get the drill a couple little pilot holes. These screws are 1.5 inches long, and I'm hoping that, yeah, they'll be fine. There's plenty of space there. But let me get the drill and we'll drill a couple holes, get this thing started. All right, first one's mounted. And we'll figure out the spacing for the other one. Okay, we're gonna try this again. I'm actually gonna measure this time. I tried to eyeball it, that didn't work. So, measure make our mark. Now I'll remark the holes correctly. Re-drill the holes. Usually pretty good with the old eyeball, but that didn't work out. By the way, I'm just drilling into the wood here. I'm not even getting close to the fiberglass on the outside because the behind this padding here, there's plywood or some type of wood before you get to the hole on the outside. Okay. There we go. How about that? All right, look at that. We got shade. Very nice. I did order these at 28 inches long at their longest. So we'll just leave it right about there. And that looks awesome. All right. On to the second one. Okay. So while this one's still wrapped in plastic, we'll just make sure that it fits the window. It does. All right. This is getting a little frustrating. The port side is done. Got them both installed. Very nice. Really happy with the way these turned out. So time to do the starboard side. Well, since this is where I last left off the video with the port side blinds, they are installed and look fantastic. And if I turn around to the starboard side, the starboard side blinds are done as well. They match the couch nicely, but I am super happy with how these blinds turned out. Shades, whatever they're called. Again, these are Levolor. It's the 2-cell, I think is what they call it. You can see here the inside and outside cell. Gives a little extra light blocking, but still lets just a little bit of light in. So they're not blackout shades. No, I didn't want blackout shades. I wanted something that would let just a little bit of light in if you wanted to have these down during the day, so it doesn't make it super dark in here. But they turned out great. So thanks for watching this episode of the Wisco Boater channel. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, send me some comments, and if you want to be notified when I post new videos like this one, hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time on the Wisco Boater channel. Happy boating, everybody.